Hello everyone, and in today's video we are all going to be learning on how to use the new Google chatbot bardai. Recently, Google released its own chatbot, which is automatically a response to the OpenAI ChatGPT that has been trending in recent months. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you all how you can actually make use of Google chatbot bardai. So what is bardai? Bardai is also an open chatbot just like ChatGPT that gives responses to questions in text-based form. So basically, you're asking bardai a question and bardai responses through the use of text just like ChatGPT. So how does Google bardai work? Google bardai is actually built using large language models and is actually built on Lambda technology. What is Lambda? Lambda is actually an advanced AI technology that actually behaves in a more realistic manner. So you're basically asking a question using Google bardai, and then the answer you're going to be getting is going to be more realistic compared to ChatGPT due to the fact that it's actually built using Lambda technology. Lambda AI technology is actually a technology feared by a lot of people due to the fact that it continues the conversation in a more realistic manner, making it look so scary compared to other chatbots like ChatGPT. And in addition to this, Google bardai is going to be getting its answer directly from the web. So basically, Google bardai is going to be connected to Google just like a normal search engine, and then it works with the use of Lambda technology, and at the same time it can get quick answers from the web, giving you exactly what you demand. So this makes Google bardai way more advanced compared to ChatGPT. So definitely when Google bardai comes out or when it's released, it's gonna be a very strong opponent compared to ChatGPT. And then how can you make use of Google bardai? So basically, currently Google bardai is only available to beta testers for them to test and see how it actually works. But immediately it's been released to the public, all you want to do is to go to your normal Google search engine, and then it's gonna be at the side of the search bar. So you're basically clicking on it, and then you automatically take into the chatbot area where you can actually ask your questions, and then you're giving the answer immediately to your questions. So that's basically how you can actually use bardai. You go to your Google, and then at the side of your Google search bar you see the Google bardai logo, and then you click on it, and then you ask your questions, and you're being supplied with the answer. Very easy. So that's basically how you can actually use Google bardai, and that's basically all you need to know about Google bardai in general. And yeah, that brings us to the end of today's video. If you surely learned a lot from today's video and you still haven't subscribed, make sure to subscribe, as I'm sure you definitely don't want to miss out on my upcoming informative videos. And I'll see you guys in my next video.